Welcome everyone to mgmclassiccars.com, the house of over 200 owned classic cars in our possession, not consigned. And today is one of those 200. This is a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, real rally sport car, guys. Nice Hugger orange paint. It's been restored, I would have to say about 10, 12 years ago, just based off the condition. The condition is really good on the car. The paint is really good. I don't see any blisters or anything like that throughout the car. It's a good car. We own the car. We inspected the car. And we'll get a little bit further on what's under the hood. Maybe you can tell already. But as you can see, the BFGs, the rallies on here, you got nice door handles, tinted windows, white body stripes on the car. Great stance, great suspension, newer chrome, newer trim, real RS, guys. You can see the reverse lights under the chrome bumper. That's one indication, okay? All the trim, weather stripping, glass is in really good condition. Underneath is nice and solid as well. You got dual sport mirrors on both sides, antenna for the radio. Front headlights, yes, they do work. They're upgraded with the electric setup there. Beautiful grille, beautiful chrome front bumper. Let's check out what's underneath the hood real quick. All right. This is a factory appearance 350 small block. You'll see you got the newer booster there for your power disc brakes, newer master cylinder, appears to be original GM factory air conditioning compressor. You got power steering, radiator, a battery, and also the hoses in most cases have been replaced if needed. Just a nice clean setup, guys. Very reliable car, very good on gas mileage too. So we'll fire up the car in a little bit and also check that out. Trunk is solid as well. All the chrome, like I said, is in great condition. You got nice door lips on the car, nice weather stripping, as you can see, factory pinch welds there. Nice RS interior, door panels, newer door sill plates, inner outer jams are in great condition. Most of my cars, well, all of my cars are in great condition. RS steering wheel, as should be. You got your Chevrolet rubber floor mats, your Houndstooth interior with the seat belts and the seat belts in the back. Package tray 6x9s and a nice tight headliner there, guys. And on the interior here, you got your factory cluster, factory gauges, newer dash pad across. You got the double gauge package there and a JVC cassette radio that does function. Factory center console here, guys, as well. And we're gonna fire this puppy up. All right. Fires right up. It's got a good hot rod sound to it. Great little 350, guys. If you're looking to tour the country, put a couple suitcases, smaller suitcases, in the trunk, and go for a nice little mini vacation or something, this is the car. Hot rod power tour as well. Having the air conditioning and all the power options is really nice. Let's go for a ride. So before we take off, guys, turn signals all function there. Headlights open, as you can see the little reflection right there. They do work. Got good oil pressure. Radio functions. Fuel gauge functions. Air conditioning functions. Wipers do not function, but I will get them to function. And your heat and AC do function as well. There you go. Power steering feels nice and easy. Nice cruiser. All right, a little bit tight in here. I'll make it. All right, so MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. We are 25 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport and 45 minutes from Midway. Now, I do recommend you guys to come check out the cars in person, because I can't tell you 100% everything about the car. I tried, okay? Between my photos and my video, and this car is in very good condition, especially for a 69. Clutch feels nice. Shifter feels great. This is a manual transmission. Brakes feel good too. Easy to downshift. No login. It's tuned properly. Drive straight down the road, guys. And she sounds good too. Air conditioning blows nice and cold. I mean, again, it's not a perfect car. It's not a 100-point car. The price isn't. It's not $100,000. If it was, well, then you can get close to a 100-point car. This is a great, great upper driver. Being fully loaded, it's a pleasure to drive. Suspension feels nice and smooth. No rattling noises inside when you hit a bump. Right. A lot of attention. Chirp second gear too. Very smooth, guys, very smooth. So if you need financing, if your credit score is like 640 to 775, you will need about $6,000 down. Rates start at about 7%. We got long-term financing with low payments. Must have good credit to qualify. And if your credit score is over 775, no money down options available. So if your credit score, again, is like 640 to 775, go to mgmclassiccars.com. And if your score is over 775, go to lightstream.com. Now, lightstream.com is a no money down option bank for this car, Classic Cars. But for some reason, if they give you any issues, let me know. They're a very finicky bank, but they do borrow no money down. Anyway, if you need delivery, not a problem. I know a lot of people are busy. That's why I make these videos and share everything with you the most I can. You can call or text me at 847-848-1850. That truck almost pulled out in front of me. Oh boy. So we're going to head back to MGM Classic Cars in our service department. This brown building that we're pulling up to is our building, full. Over 200 cars available at mgmclassiccars.com. I do own all the vehicles, no consignments. I put my money where my mouth is, and now I'm going to show you underneath this beautiful Camaro. And we're going to pull up there right now. Again, my phone number is area code 847-848-1850. Please text me your zip code and I'll get you a quote, deliver this puppy right to your driveway. We are licensed, insured, and bonded. Do make it as easy as possible, guys. We tried. All right, talk to you later. Bye.